Today, I am beyond excited that you have joined our channel and that we can create this wonderful Save the Date project together for your wedding invitations. Thank you for visiting our channel. Here, you'll learn new tips and tricks that you can apply to your stationery projects. This is a simple and easy-to-edit project that you can create at a low cost. I am confident that your guests will be amazed by your creativity when they see this beautiful and unique way to invite them to your wedding. Required materials: 8.5 inches, 11 inches or 12 inches x 12 inches cardstock, string or ribbon, glue, your cutting machine or plotter. This template measures 7 inches x 5.42, and once you fold the top tab, the final size will be 5 inches x 7. You can create 2 Save the Date cards per 8.5 inches, 11 inches or 12 inches x 12 inches sheet. Uploading and editing the SVG file. Once you upload your SVG file to Cricut Design Space, you will see the layout displayed on your screen. If you expand the layers in the right side panel, you'll notice that this template consists of 3 layers. The main template, which we will edit, the ampersand symbol, the fold line as a separate layer. The ampersand is included as an optional element, so you can replace it with any symbol of your choice that matches your selected font, customizing your design. Now, let's personalize the template using the text tool. We'll add the following text to the 4 lines of the template. Save the date. Two names. For this example, I'll use the names Benjamin and Margaret. The date. After adding the names, I'll adjust them to fit the template. For this project, I'm using the Brie Serif font, which you can download for free from Google Fonts for personal and commercial use. This font has several advantages for cutting machine projects. It offers great readability. It has a balanced thickness, neither too bold nor too thin. Its serif style makes the text clearer. Adjusting text parameters. Let's now refine the text settings. Save the date. Font size 45, letter spacing -0.3, linear alignment. Date, font size 45, letter spacing 0, linear alignment. Names, font size 58, letter spacing -0.3, curve 30. will slightly adjust the ampersand symbol's position and give the name Benjamin a slight rotation of -1 degree, final setting, 359 degrees. 2. Ensure all letters align properly with the template's top and bottom edges. For the name Margaret, I will apply the same settings as Benjamin, but without any rotation, once the text is positioned correctly. Let's align the design. Select all layers except the ampersand and Benjamin. Go to the Align menu at the top and select Center. Since Benjamin is next to the ampersand, I will align it manually for the best visual balance. Welding and final adjustments. Now select all layers except for the fold line and apply the weld function. After welding, zoom in to verify that all letters have merged correctly. Quick tip: you may notice a small hole inside the ampersand symbol. This is unnecessary and might be too intricate for cutting. To remove it, use the Shapes tool to add a small circle. Place it over the hole. Select both the circle and template layers. Apply weld again. You can repeat this process as needed for any unwanted cutout details. Final steps before cutting. In the Layers panel, you'll see that the fold line is now hidden under the template. To reveal it, select the template layer. Send it backward to bring the fold line to the front. Select both the template and fold line. Click Attach. Now the design is ready to cut. Click Make It and your cutting screen will appear. I personally like to enable the mirror function to get a cleaner cut. While my Cricut Maker already delivers precise results, mirroring enhances the finish even more. Cutting settings. For materials, select cardstock for intricate cuts. This project only requires a basic cut function. As you can see, the result is a clean and perfect cut, almost no weeding required. To achieve the best results, make sure to use a sticky mat for proper adhesion. Use a sharp blade for clean cuts. Assembling the Save the Date card. Once your template is cut, the next step is to fold the top tab. To do this, follow the dotted lines as a guide. Use a bone folder to define the fold. Now, let's complete the project by adding a ribbon or string. I'll be using a thin white ribbon. Apply UHU Universal glue under the top flap. Place the ribbon in position. Apply glue again. Fold along the dotted line and press. Firmly using the bone folder. And that's it. Your Save the Date cards are now ready. Bonus, free a 7-envelope template. I've included a 7-envelope template in this download, perfect for 5 inches x 7 inches invitations or cards. I hope you enjoyed making this project with me. I hope it helps with your wedding invitations or those of a friend or family member. Take full advantage of your cutting machine by creating beautiful wedding stationery. Stay connected. Thank you for watching. For more content like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on upcoming tutorials. Follow us on our social media platforms and find our templates on Etsy and other digital design platforms. Links are in the video description. Thank you.